Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So, anyways, on the dollar CAD, I still think this looks extremely corrective. This is very, very, very overlapping, and we definitely do not have a weekly time frame breaker structure up yet, so technically the trend is down. Now, if this is a WXY, it needs to make a little bit of a lower high. It cannot go up and break structure. If it does go up and break structure, then it's likely going to end up being a pullback to the whole 5 waves down. So on the shorter time frames, we definitely need to pay attention going down to the 1 hour time frame. Really, the break of structure that's going to prove to me that this is the end of a pullback on the higher time frames, the end of a wave Y, is right here. These little breaks of structure here do not tell me anything except for that this wave is over, which we already pretty much know that. The major break of structure is right here. If it breaks below this structure, then we are definitely going to have to go back to being bearish and realize that we're back into the downtrend on the daily and weekly time frame. If it doesn't break this structure and it turns out a Fibonacci level goes up and breaks structure to the upside, then we're going to have to realize that we need to continue to stay bullish on the higher time frames. So as usual, right now I definitely am primarily looking for logs still because we definitely have not broken structure down. But if we do break structure down, I'll be more than happy to stop looking for logs and start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.